Today I'll be showing you how to make special and delicious lasagna that we normally eat and serve when there's an occasion. First, we're going to make our meat sauce. Cut up an onion, garlic, and red bell pepper into small cubes. You could either use canned tomato sauce or make your own by using 3 tomatoes by blending it. And blend the carrots too. Put vegetable oil in the pot and put your onion, garlic, and let it cook for a little bit, and then add the 300 grams of ground beef. And then, when it's brown, add your red bell pepper and carrots and let it cook for about 15 minutes. After that, add a pinch of salt and tomato sauce and 2 spoons of tomato paste and mix it. Add pepper, dried oregano, chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Mix it well and add a little bit of cheese. Now we're gonna make our white sauce. 1/4 cup salted butter, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of milk. Make sure the flour and the butter mixture dissolves completely so there are no lumps. And let's put our cheese. Next, in our boiling water, I'm going to put a pinch of salt and some olive oil, and let's cook our pasta for about 1 minute. After that, strain and wash the pasta with cold water so it doesn't stick together, and cut the parsley into small pieces. Now it's time to make our lasagna. First, put our meat sauce and put the pasta on top and cover it with the white sauce. Just repeat the process 2 more times. For the last layer, add the meat sauce and some parsley and cheese, and put more parsley at the end. Put it in the oven for 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Take it out of the oven and let it rest until you lose patience, and slice into pieces and enjoy. Thanks for watching.